In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate the LinkedIn Insight tag into your Wix website. This process is crucial for tracking conversions, unlocking advanced analytics, and maximizing the efficiency of your LinkedIn campaigns. To start, you'll need to have access to your LinkedIn Ads account, as this is where you'll find the JavaScript code necessary for installation. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the appropriate section to copy the Insight tag code. Having this code ready is the first essential step in enhancing your website's analytical capabilities. Now let's transition to the Wix dashboard. After logging into your Wix account, head straight to the settings page. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you spot the advanced section. That's where you'll find the custom code option. For those using the free Wix plan, it's important to know that adding custom code is a premium feature, which means you may need to upgrade to a suitable plan to harness this capability. Investing in a premium plan not only enables this feature, but also opens up more advanced customization options for your site, optimizing your online presence. Once inside the custom code section, look for the option that allows you to add a new code snippet. It's in this area that you'll paste the entire LinkedIn Insight tag JavaScript code you previously copied. This is a critical step, so make sure that every part of the code is pasted correctly to ensure it functions as intended. Any small errors here can affect data collection, so a double check won't hurt. With the code in the right place, the next step is determining where exactly on your site this code will live. For the LinkedIn Insight tag to function properly, you'll need to set the code placement in the body end section of your site. This means the code will be included in the global footer, just before the closing tag. Placing the code here ensures it's loaded across your entire site, providing comprehensive tracking and making certain that all of your web pages benefit from the analytics tool. Finally, you'll want to save all the hard work you've done. Look for the Apply or Save option, usually located at the bottom or top of the page, and click it to ensure that the changes are finalized and the code is now active on your site. Saving your changes is a small step, but it's crucial. Without it, all the previous efforts won't take effect, and the Insight tag won't work. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added the LinkedIn Insight tag to your Wix website, paving the way for smarter insights and more effective marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.